Are you looking for the best camcorders? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best camcorders that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sony HDR CX405 Full HD Camcorder. If you're looking for a camcorder that delivers spectacular value that seems almost too good to be true, pinch yourself and check out the Sony HDR CX405 Full HD Camcorder Bundle. With a 60x clear image zoom and 30x optical zoom, you can capture superb images worthy of the big screen, while the SteadyShot image stabilizer ensures high-quality shots for fantastic results. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a battery charger, camera bag, rechargeable LED light, lens cleaner, and mini tripod, among an array of other tools to help you get started. As for the software, it comes with face detection technology, noise reduction, and voice enhancement features, and it also allows you to transfer footage and images easily via USB. It's not the cheapest item we've selected, but with such an array of extras, it's definitely the best value for money, so if you know what you want and feel like diving straight in, look no further. Pros. Includes everything you need to get started. Easy file transfer via USB. Multiple picture and video effects. Cons. Not ideal for more demanding professional applications. Number 2. Canon VIXIA HF R800 Camcorder. With a massive 57x advanced zoom, just one of the excellent features you'll find here, the Canon VIXIA HF R800 is our number one selection for the best camcorder around. It's an excellent entry-level option for beginners, but those with more filmmaking experience will also find a lot to love. This includes the optical image stabilization and the Digic DV4 image processor, which captures footage in crisp, clear 1920 by 1080. The LCD touchpad makes it easy to operate and navigate through menus and settings, while the lightweight body makes it super portable and comfortable if you're filming all day. As single camera options go, it's one of the cheapest around that still ensures high-quality performance, even at the base model. It's excellent for home movies, for live streaming in your gamer room, or filming social events such as fundraisers or birthday parties. Pros. High-capacity battery. Slow and fast motion recording. Compatible with Canon Connect Station. Cons. Minor image issues under bad lighting. Number 3. Panasonic X2000 4K Professional Camcorder. The Panasonic X2000 4K Professional Camcorder is a compact and lightweight camera that offers impressive features and professional-level performance. The camera's 1/2.5-inch sensor produces stunning 4K UHD footage at 60p with vivid colors and excellent dynamic range, while the built-in 25mm wide-angle lens provides clear and stable footage. The X2000 also features two built-in XLR microphone inputs, offering excellent audio recording capabilities. The camera's design is sleek and durable, with a sturdy magnesium alloy body in a large, intuitive OLED touchscreen. The X2000 is an excellent choice for professional videographers looking for a high-end camcorder. However, its steep price tag may limit its appeal to amateur users or those on a tight budget. Key features. Brand, Panasonic. Model name, HC-X2000. Connectivity, HDMI. Memory type, double SD card. Focus, high-speed focusing. Number 4. Canon XA11 Professional Camcorder. The Canon XA11 is a great beginner pro camera. It doesn't feature 4K resolution, but the variety of advanced features help make up for it. It has a powerful 20x high-definition optical zoom lens, multiple image stabilization options, an HD CMOS image sensor for enhanced low-light performance, dual SD card slots, and an advanced Digic DV4 image processor. The 3-inch touchscreen is another nice addition. When you're looking to start recording pro videos, this is a good camcorder to get you started and well worth its high price point. Pros: exceptional image reproduction, LCD touchscreen and electronic viewfinder. Advanced features. Cons: no 4K. Number 5. Panasonic HC V770K Full HD Camcorder. The Panasonic HC V770K Full HD camcorder will blow away all your expectations of what should be possible with a mid-budget camcorder. It boasts a clear HDR movie feature to make it ideal for weddings and similar crowded events. The zoom is good, but where this camcorder really earns its praise is the stabilization and the quality, with no noticeable differences with the closer you get under the 20x optical zoom function. There are also multiple features to explore on the camera, and it provides excellent results in low-light environments. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi for easy footage transfer, making it a pretty much perfect option regardless of what you plan to do with it. Like any camcorder worth a look, it would be as suitable for casual events as it would those that expect a little higher quality. Pros: select video effects, automatic tilting fix, good low-light recording capabilities. Cons: autofocus face detection can confuse others in the crowd.